insane. This is insane. Hey you guys, it's Christina. I am at the George R. Brown Convention Center today volunteering. There are more than 9,000 evacuees who have come to this main shelter in just the past 48 hours. 9,000 people who've lost their homes, who've been flooded out, who need our help. If you are safe, come to help. The help will be never ending, and it won't ever be enough for the next weeks, few months, who knows? We need you. I'm exhausted, but I'm still here, and this is what it looks like right now. This is only one of several different, basically cot houses, cot rooms. They're taking in new volunteers by the second. 9,000 evacuees there at full capacity and still accepting more people. The aftermath of Hurricane Harvey is catastrophic and devastating, and this is the time when Houstonians need to come together to make a difference and make a change. And if you are able to, and if you have the means, if you have a car to get here safely, get your butt down here and volunteer. There are kids, there are animals, there are old people, there are cots, there's food here. There's so much that can be done. I'm gonna try and show you around my day as much as I can. I'm trying to be present and focused and not emotional. So I'm gonna show you guys around what I've been doing today. I've just been doing random things. Got my name tag. For those of you who are interested in volunteering, you have to register with the Red Cross first. You have to get approved, and then you can come in and start helping. And once you come in, be prepared to be here for a long time because they give you hours, and it's honestly, you don't want to leave.
Red Cross volunteers right now, and we have 1,200 on order. We have trucks and resources coming from all over. I personally know of some people who are stuck outside of your city, can't get here because of the roads being closed. So we definitely need your help. We appreciate you being here.
Mom calls me like twice a day. Cousins and aunts are all texting me.
Like, this is just unreal.
Hi, my name's Nick. I'm with the Houston Fire Department. I'm here at George R. Brown.
He's also a friend of mine.
And we're here with thousands of people. So far, we've had about 30,000 people arrive just in the last 2 days, and there's possibly more going to be showing up. And right now, we just need more resources, need more water, more food, more clothes and towels, and just a lot more help.
Tell me a little bit about the people who've been coming in here. What's their condition like?
Well, there's a lot of people that have been getting evacuated out of their houses, and they don't grab their medication. They don't grab enough, all the resources they need for diabetes, or they're on dialysis, and they're coming here, and their conditions are dropping. and so we need a lot of the hospitals are closed, so they need to be taken care of, and that seems to be the really big problem right now. And so we have lots of doctors and nurses on staff, so people are getting taken care of, but people need to start taking their medicine every day, and a lot of people don't have it.
That's insane. Tell us a little bit about the hall that we're in right now.
Well, right now we're at one of the biggest halls all 5 halls are full capacity right now. This is the hall just for all the dogs and pets. So everybody's here with their own pets, and everyone's pretty taken care of here. The animals are taken care of, and I mean they have lots of food, lots of water. I mean they're taken care of.
You're a true hero. Thank you for your service.
Thank you. Cool.
Circulation problem, try. Yes.
Smart. No. Call him by his name, he'll answer.
Ciao. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie.
The other two's back.
You don't want me to take off my husband and shave the rest of myself. Who's this? You're just a precious little angel, aren't you? Yeah. She's a pest. She wants that little apple.
Oh, yeah, she wants my apple.
Look who came to join me.
Yes, we're going to make a difference today. It's a ton of volunteers out here, but it's even more people
I
who
know,
need help.
except for the part where I look exhausted. You look all
amazing.
fresh. I've been here all day.
You know what I'm saying? Trying to change lives.
I just want to take a minute to talk about donations. I know so many of you want to donate and to help right now, but just please be careful what organizations you are donating to. Be super intentive. Donate with purpose. And I say this only because there's so many organizations out there to donate to, and most of the time the money that you put in doesn't reach any of the people that are in this room, and there are 9,000 people in this shelter right now, and this is just one of them in Houston. And if you think about it, when you donate money to an organization, sometimes it goes to some people's paycheck, to buying new equipment, shelter, clothes, those things are important, but what about people who need to rebuild houses? What about people who need medical supplies and who actually need the money to rebuild their lives? A lot of the people in this room right now are filling out FEMA forms and are trying to rebuild their lives. They don't have money to even get water out of their homes, so they're not gonna fix their homes, and their homes are gonna have mold in them, and then they're gonna get sick and have more medical bills. You want your money to go to people who really need it. Just be conscious who you donate to and make sure that they're distributing the funds appropriately. It's not going to some official's paycheck, that it's actually going to the ground floor of where the help is needed.
Oh, you want me to talk into the camera?
Go for it.
Okay.
Your name and what you do.
I'm Bob Bartek, and I'm a part of the Wisconsin 1 Disaster Medical Assistance Team. And I am employed here with the Minnesota team, and we're here to augment and to help the citizens of Houston by providing some medical care for them. And
What does DMAT stand for?
The DMAT stands for Disaster Medical Assistance Team. It's a team underneath the National Disaster Medical System.
Awesome. And what are you guys planning on doing here today to help?
Well, we're just going to try to integrate and to help the local medical structure that's here and supplement that in whatever way we can.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, this is Bob. I'm over here at George R. Brown, and I've got a great nurse taking care of me. And I wanted to tell you hello, and I hope things are looking good on your end as well. So anyway, in the meantime, have a good evening, and I'll talk with you soon.
Okay, thank you. And you can't get to it because of the water?
Yeah. We need a boat with the pump on it.
Oh my gosh.
All right, when I get my shit together, do you promise that we can get together and have 50,000 kids and marry?
You want me to give you 50,000 kids?
Yes, ma'am. I just want to at least see me practice. That's all. We got to really have it.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. This is just another one of the many shelter rooms that we have that is filled to capacity with people. Thank you to the American Red Cross for donating cots. It's intense in here, you guys. So I have been assisting with the medical team today, and I have been assigned to help people who are unable to go to the restroom themselves, to take them to the restroom and help them, and you can't imagine how it's been. How's your day been?
Busy.
It's been a little like,
I need some pizza in my life.
what? Raw pizza? Like raw. Everything is still underwater. I don't know if you can see this, but my truck is lifted and the bars touching water, still making waves. Everything's just flooded. I've just gotten home, and literally like every 5 minutes there has been helicopters flying past me. It's been insane. I will say this, the rain just stopped for the first time since Friday. And I'll tell you something pretty amazing. Miracles do exist. And I know that they do because I just experienced one of the worst hurricanes in all of history, and the sun still came out afterwards. You guys wouldn't believe the day that I've had. And I can't even say that it was a bad day, because my day does not compare to the day that many people in that room had. And it's humbling and it's devastating for so many. And please keep every single person in Houston in your prayers right now. It has been catastrophic. It has been unreal, and so many people have lost their homes. They have lost everything that they own. There were people today wheeling in all of their possessions in a trash bin. I'm starting a crowdfunding campaign for the actual people who need this money, not for organizations, for actual people who've lost their homes. People in that room today, my friends who are farmers who've lost everything, all of their land. So if you guys want to donate $1, $2, $10, I'm going to put the link below. Feel free to give whatever you want, and I'm going to be distributing the money to those who really need it right now, not to organizations. The other thing that I want to say is I am considering pushing back the 21-day challenge for just a few days so that I can finish helping here in Houston however needed. I haven't decided if I'm going to yet. I'm waiting for the weather to kind of tell us what it's going to do. So for those of you who have signed up for the challenge, I appreciate your patience and understanding, and I'm letting you know now. That way you're not going to get your shopping lists and everything ready just yet. You can hold off for a few days, but just stay tuned. I promise I'll let everybody know. And for those of you who want to join the challenge, challenge.fullyraw.com. I'm going to be coaching my mom on going raw vegan for 21 days. We're going to do it together on my YouTube channel. Join us. It's going to be amazing. All right, you guys, it has been a long day. I'm going to rest and shower and pray tonight. And I hope that you guys are safe and well, and I pray that you leave your supportive comments below. If you want more updates faster than this, definitely be sure to follow my Instagram and watch my Instagram stories there. Anything else you need, I love you guys. Thank you for everything. Sending my hugs and my love.